Welcome all you inspiring people out there. Today we will see how to paint leaves. This is requested by a subscriber. I will make a series of 5 to 6 videos on this topic, demonstrating various leaves and different strokes involved for the sake of simplicity. In this video, we will see the basic leaf stroke and a few variations to it. So let's get started. Here's the basic leaf stroke, which we will see shortly. Before that, let's consider the basic flat brush stroke for a moment. We start at the chisel edge of the brush, drag it and again lift it up on the chisel. I am making starting and lifting place for the chisel separately for clarity. Let's see the stroke we will get if we shift the lifting place a little upward while keeping the starting place constant. We get a diamond shape here. This is the key shape which we will alter a little to get the form of a leaf. I am making guiding lines for this separately for simplicity. To create the leaf, we will join the stem to the lower corner and shape up the corners on either side to get the softer edges for the leaf. Let's see how we can achieve this. And that's our basic leaf stroke. And we pull out the stem. For a narrower variant, simply move the lifting place anti-clockwise, staying within the imaginary quadrant. Notice the distance between the two guiding lines remains the same. This will give us a narrower stroke and hence a thin leaf. Similarly, for a wider leaf, move the lifting place clockwise. Let's create a few leaves with this basic leaf stroke serving as the leaflet. We can have another variant of this leaf stroke by simply wiggling the brush while creating the stroke. Let's see again. First, we created the diamond shape, then the basic leaf stroke. And now we are wiggling the brush while creating the stroke. Notice the guiding lines for all the three strokes remains the same. Let's create a leaf with this as the leaflet. Let's see another variant. I started at the chisel, twisting the brush gently while wiggling at the same time and lifting horizontally on the chisel at the center. Let's do this stroke without wiggling the brush to have another form. A modification would be to simply wiggle-waggle the brush and then come up to the center onto the chisel and lift it, pulling outwards. I hope this tutorial was helpful. In the next video, we will see how to paint long leaves. I would like to thank all my subscribers for subscribing. Those who are new or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe if you found the tutorial helpful. This will encourage me to keep posting such videos. Thank you for watching. See you in part 2 of this tutorial.